Well, before you head out on your adventure, it's really important to take a couple minutes and make a good plan, because you really don't want to have to get rescued. So this includes things like picking the right trail for your ability level. The Moab area is almost a mile in elevation. It's hot, it's dry, all those things can affect your abilities. So choose your trail wisely when you pick your itinerary. You also want to dress for the trail. So that means things like sturdy footwear. These rocks are rocky. It's easy to stub a toe or twist an ankle if you don't have the right kind of boots or sturdy shoes. And lastly, you want to equip yourself with a well-packed backpack. So I'm going to show you a couple things that I always bring. First, water. Bring more than you think you'll need, at least a quart per person for any kind of length trail. A first aid kit you don't want to have to use, but you gotta have it with you. And I throw in a whistle too, in case you need to call for help. An extra layer might sound weird if it's 90 degrees outside, but this desert can get cold quickly after sundown, so you want to have some warmth. And on that note, a light for every person is also essential, just in case you're out after sundown. It gets dark really quickly. Now some sunscreen will protect you from that sun. A little bit of snacks, because gotta stay fortified. A detailed map is absolutely critical. Something that has more detail than just what they give you at the park entrance is a good idea. I always carry a plastic bag in case I make any trash while I'm out. Banana peels, things I need to pack out with me. And this is a toilet to go in case you need to go while you're out on the trail. You don't want to leave anything behind for another hiker to find. Finally, sunglasses. Absolutely critical. Now I have a plan, I have a well-packed pack, I'm ready for my adventure.